even the Google's upcoming A series phone, the Pixel 7a, is at least 5 months away, photographs of the DVD unit have already surfaced online. Now you're probably thinking, what is DVD unit? Well, it's the design validation test unit. What I mean by that is that the device design is final. What you're seeing is what you're gonna get. Now, it's not surprising that the Pixel 7a DVD unit resembles the Pixel 7 because Google's mid-range phones are always like a toned-down variant of their flagship counterparts. Just like the Pixel 7 series devices, the Pixel 7a has a very similar overall design, but some adjustments have been done, definitely, like a full metal camera bar with pill-shaped cutout for the camera sensors. And that makes it look almost identical to the Pixel 7, just a bit more smaller. So the Pixel 7 is smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro, and the Pixel 7a is even smaller compared to the Pixel 7. Now speaking of cameras, a lot of rumors said something else. Hey, this phone is only gonna come with only 2 cameras. But if you have seen the recently leaked renders of the on-leaks, then it makes it pretty clear that, hey, that was right. Now, in the past, we've also got rumors that it will come with a very premium build quality. But then we were calling it the Pixel 7 Ultra. Later it was clarified that there are not gonna be any Ultra models, but rather the Pixel 7a was the Pixel Ultra at the time. But then again, it is pretty much confirmed that this phone will also come with plastic body just like the Pixel 6a. But at least it will come with wireless charging, up to 5 watt maximum. Fine, I guess. This phone is anticipated to have a 64 megapixel primary camera as well as a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So if you're thinking, well, this year we finally gonna get a good camera system in terms of raw hardware specs on the Pixel A series models. Now other upgrades include a massively smoother 90Hz display. Now why I'm saying massively smoother? Because even the 2022 Pixel 6a had a 60Hz screen, which at that price doesn't even make sense. Now, this device will also come with support for Bluetooth LE or low energy for higher quality audios with less power consumptions. Now, Google's Tensor G2 chip will also likely power this device. In the CPU department, the Tensor G2 and the G1 are almost same, except the GPU is different and the NPU is massively upgraded. So definitely, you're gonna have great performance, but not the best performance in the segment. But then again, you know, the Google's AI capabilities are pretty insane. Now, the rumored Pixel 7a's prototype closely resembles the Obsidian Pixel 7. But we have already seen the renders in snow white color. So definitely these 2 color options are coming. But are we gonna see some new color options? Well, we will have to wait and see. So you can subscribe this channel. So as a surprise, you can actually download this new 8K wallpapers pack for free to use on your desktops, smartphones or tablets. You can also get a lot of tech news far more quickly and free watch faces for your Wear OS or Tizen smartwatches up on my website. All the links are down in the description below. Until the next one, bye and take care.